Hello guys, this is the second tutorial on introduction of RAD4U mobile site. In the earlier tutorial, I missed introducing a very important feature that we introduced in the RAD4U mobile system. That's social media integration, or to be very specific, Facebook integration. So I'll be introducing this Facebook integration through this tutorial. So let's get started right away. So I'm on the home page and let me click, which takes me to the home page here. Since I've already registered, I go here and say login, and as you know, you can log in using your unique username, the registered email address or the mobile number, and the password that you have received on your cell phone. So this is the login process that you already know, but in this system what we have done is introduce a new feature called sign in using Facebook. So what it basically means is you can log in with your Facebook credentials. So if the email address that you have provided to Facebook is same as the login details, I think you'll be able to log in directly. So I click here, and which takes me to the Facebook page. This is a temporary Facebook page. Later we'll replace that with Rad Wellness Center Facebook page. So I log in with my Facebook credentials. Now I say login. Now once I log in, it directly takes me to the personal coach page. This can be configured as well, so I don't have to remember my username and password, since the email address that I have provided in Facebook is same as here on RAD4U mobile site. I think it will let me log in without remembering my username and password. So this is the important feature that we have introduced in this system. So if you need any changes, if you think it can be customized further, please write to me and I shall incorporate it. One important thing I want to mention here is Facebook does not provide the mobile number. So if the email address does not match, it takes you directly to the registration page, and I have explained this in the earlier video. Yeah, so if you have any questions or concern queries, write to me and we'll address that. Thank you.